I am going to show you how to add text behind person in Capcut. First, open up your Capcut and create your new project. Now select the video that you want to work on. And here, go ahead and add your text. This is the text that you want to see behind the person. Go ahead and choose a font. And choose your color. Then adjust the length of your text to whatever you want. Okay, that's looking good. Now you want to export it. Now after that, you want to create a new project again. But here, you need to import the video you have exported last time. After that, go ahead and tap Overlay. Add Overlay, and then choose the video without the text. Tap on the video and find Remove Background. Tap on this and then tap on Auto Removal. Wait for it to complete. And now you can see, make sure to adjust the placement of your video. Now here is the final product. You can see that the text is behind the person. After that, go ahead and export the project.